today I'm going to give you a full guide on Chinese Douyin makeup. So let's start with the moisturizer first. Now here I'm applying primer. And now for foundation, I'm using a light shade foundation. Now for concealer, I'm only applying on the areas where I want to brighten up. For setting base, I'm using a loose powder. You can also use a compact powder. For contour, I'm using a thin brush like this. For eyeshadow, I'm using this shade and applying on the center of my eyelid. Now taking a same shade and applying on my lower lash line with a flat brush. For aiguisal, I'm just squinting my eyes like this. And now I'm highlighting between my lower lash and an aiguisal. Now highlighting my inner corner. Now I'm just applying a very thin eyeliner. Now for mascara, do individual lashes and don't forget your lower lashes. Now applying a powder blush on the center of my cheeks and also on the tip of my nose. Now applying some highlighter on the center of my cheeks and also on the tip of my nose. It's definitely giving me that glowy effect. For lips, I'll use a peach shade and then a gloss.